This is a quick continuation to my last video. I want to show you what I did to my hard disk drive after taking it out my computer. It may seem a little cheap and maybe cheesy, but I bought a hard drive enclosure, I put some Velcro on it, and I glued it to my laptop. I put it on the back of the screen on the bottom so that it will not bend when I open it and close it. My computer has a DVD drive. I could have bought a hard disk drive caddy and replace it, but I like to have a DVD drive, so I never considered it.